I'm taking you guys to the beach today. Join me. Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, as I stated, we are going to the beach today with those cool, beautiful coastal colors. However, I'm going a little bright this year. When I used to do coastal in the past, it was more of the muted, beachy coastal colors, which I absolutely love. But as you all know, the majority of you asked me to start bringing in color. So that is what we're doing today, and oh boy, are we. So with each new season, I tend to like to bring in inspiration pieces that get the wheels turning so that the rest of the space can sort of, I don't know, follow suit. So it looks cohesive. So what did I do? I bought some inspiration pieces which will sort of drive my look, as I stated, in other spaces. I always get so excited when I change out for a different season. Now, you may remember I went all lemons. And unfortunately, I didn't share the family room. I got so excited with these new pieces, I took it all down. So I am so sorry. I was going to do a tour, but really you guys have seen pretty much all of it with the exception of the family room. So that will be coming, but we're gonna start here. This is my inspiration piece. This color used to be my favorite color in high school. My room was this color with other colors, and I thought, we are bringing this back, by golly. And so I purchased these beautiful stackable mugs on Amazon, and I got 2 sets. They come in a holder, but I purchased these to go right there on my mug holder. And by the way, that's from Amazon. I'll link everything for you below in case you guys are interested. And remember, these are my colors. They may not be yours. So just think of everything I'm going to show you as ideas. And then if you like anything, you can incorporate certain things into your house using your colors, your style. You get the gist. So let's get going. So I love this coffee mug holder. It comes with this and all the hooks, and then you can hang whatever you want, either seasonally, change your mugs out, have some fun. But now I'm going to hang these. I love these, you guys. I just had coffee out of these this morning. They're wonderful. You get a big cup of coffee. They're easy to hold and they are pretty. So I absolutely love those mugs, and boy does it bring in a pop of color. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is I found this ribbon on Amazon, and it goes beautifully with my coffee mugs. So I really want to bring in this look onto my pots that I'm going to put up top. I have 2 of these, and then here's that onion grass that I got on Amazon, and I'm just going to put this in here. So I love how it looks. It almost kind of looks like herbs, but I love the color of it. And now I'm going to place some ribbon around it. So I always like doing little tails as opposed to bows. I don't know why, it's just my preference. And now what I'm gonna do is stick these up there on top of the cabinets. now up top, I'm gonna go in with this little piece, Hobby Lobby, sort of using it as a little architectural piece, something that draws your eyes up. I'm gonna place that right there. And this is how it's looking so far. Okay, wait till you see my next piece. It was literally my inspiration piece for this whole look. You're gonna die because it's not what I usually do. Let's look at these colors. You have the sailboats and the trees, and it's just vibrant. I love these colors, and I'm definitely challenging myself within the house, trying to pull in these colors here and there. But I'm having fun doing so. So yeah, again, thank you guys for challenging me to add color. I'm gonna place this right there as a focal point for summer. Okay, next, I have this little bag of shells that I got from Walmart. I'm gonna pour them into this little candle holder and then nestle an LED flameless flickering candle on the inside. Now my next piece might shock you because when I bought it, I'm like, Liz, are you crazy? That's pretty colorful and vibrant and shiny. So I found these chargers on Amazon, and I don't know if you can tell because the light is so bright. This is the most beautiful charger I've ever bought. I love it. I absolutely love it. I believe it came with 6. These come in all different colors, but they are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can turn this off. I want you to see the color. It's so pretty. So anyway, if you like this charger, but this is not your color, get one in a different color. Like I said, they come in lots of different colors. It is so pretty. With the light ring so bright, it's not doing this justice. For me, it's a 10 out of 10. So on the shelf above, I'm gonna bring in some brown, and then I'm gonna put this with it with some greenery. Okay, before I do that, I wanna share these because I'm in love. This plate set that I got on Amazon is by Certified International, and they're melamine plates, but I will tell you the quality is so good. This is your large plate. Isn't this pretty for summer? Really, really pretty. This is the salad plate. Really pretty. Like I said, great quality. And these are the bowls. So cute. And then I told you guys a week or so ago that I got a huge pack of these plate holders on Amazon. I love them. They're really good and sturdy. And here I got 2 packs because this is a bigger house and I knew I was gonna need them, and like I said, they're good quality. So look how pretty that is together. You got a little bling bling on the side. It reminds me of coral. I just love the plate charger, and I love it with this plate.
Trees, new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit, 2-piece, catch me doing the most. Eating good in Perry, grab a glass, make a toast to life. Just living like it's my life. In these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my peace on a mountain zip line. Australia stole my heart, and the natives are fine as hell.
And now up top, I'm gonna go in with this look all the way up there, diagonal. Okay, next, I just got this from Amazon. Is that not cute? I just love the look of this with the little starfish. So I'm gonna put that up top. Okay, so over a year ago, I bought this tray set on Amazon. It comes with one large tray and a smaller tray that sits within it. And I like it because it's white and chippy and distressed. And it has two black handles. I always like to create vignettes within a tray or basket. It just looks pretty that way and organized. So I'm gonna create a vignette right there. So when I can, I like to conceal that. So now I'm going in with this whitewashed woven placemat. So all I did was lean it. We're adding a pop of texture and we're concealing the outlet. Okay, these are my next items. I got these on Amazon. These are Spider Mums. They're absolutely beautiful. They come in different colors. I have the green, the white, the pink, and I'm not sure if I got another color, but anyway, they're gorgeous. Then I have this wood riser from Hobby Lobby. Then from Amazon, I have this beautiful glass vase, and I put some glass marbles in it to sort of mimic water. And now I'm just gonna put these in to add a pop of color. Why am I going with this color? Because it goes really well with this painting. So when I was at my apartment in downtown Pittsburgh, I shared with you some seabirds, and I got the brown ones. They're gorgeous. I got some green ones. And so I'm gonna set those in the tray. They're super cute. Next, I have this really adorable riser from Amazon. Love it. I'm gonna place that next to the display. So next, I have this glass container that's sealed, and I'm gonna place some cookies in there and set it on top of that riser. I always say, let there be light. So I found this adorable lamp at Walmart, $10. You can see it's hollow on the inside. If you want to put like a really cute plate down and then fill this with seashells or whatever your theme is. I'm just keeping mine the way it is, but if I find some pretty seashells, I'm going to put them on the inside. Well, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the subtle touches of the beach here in the kitchen. I will see you all on Friday. Love you all so much. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.